So, picture this. If you're wearing a pair of glasses that claim to record video, take calls, stream music, and act like a smart assistant, that's what Senna Smart Glasses promise. The brand says they've packed camera, Bluetooth speakers, even AI-style features into a stylish frame. Here's the good side. Many reviews say the design is sleek and the tech works for basic tasks, like taking hands-free calls, listening to music, and casual video. On the flip side, digging deeper, there are warning signs. The more advanced features, AI assistant, translation, full wellness integration, seem overhyped or exaggerated. Also, claims like ultra-high-end camera, ChatGPT-powered, or medical benefits appear unsupported by clear evidence. So is it a scam? Probably not. It's likely a legitimate product. You will get a pair of smart glasses. But is it all that they claim? No. It's more of a novelty gadget, with real tech for everyday use, but less groundbreaking than the marketing suggests. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews.